Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna be like not Pizza. This party. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
They are coming according to.
Come here. You want to stand here? Stand up? Stand up?
Day be bright from the morning till night. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zara. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you.
Yay, yay. Are we doing it yet? Well, I think there's a handle.
Look, I think Zara's eating a cupcake. Maybe we can ask Zara. Let's see if Zara might give us a cupcake. Let's go around.
Yeah, I only have pictures of people looking like really sad. It was almost the end. Oh my god.
This is Sadia. She lives in Mandala.
Mandalay. Say hello.
Hello.
By the way, I was a Muslim chaplain for 30 years. In state prison, Cambria County Prison, and Torrance State Hospital. I retired. This is not this session is PhD in chemical engineering. I'm a chemical engineer. This is side business. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Really?
Yeah. I like it.
Thank you so much.
It's a homely home.
Yeah, she keeps it clean.
It's for memory. It's for good memory.
नहीं, एक दिन के लिए नहीं। तो फिर क्या हुआ, जुबैदा ने क्या मेरी मंडे को जाएं, हाँ फ्राइडे को जाएं और वेंसडे को वापस सब लोगों से मिल के आए। That's what I did. I came here Friday. तो हम फ्राइडे तक कोशिश कर रहे थे आपसे मिलने की, तो आज का दिन मुहैयन क्या होता है। और भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Turn right on Lexington Road, then take the first left.